Everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Today is July 29th, 2021. Welcome to the session. The following are the important articles for competitive exams from the Hindu newspaper. The first one is Democratic Values Bind India, US, says Vulcan. This is in terms of his visit after Secretary Lloyd visit to India. Significant because recent developments in Afghanistan and issues surrounding South China and China. Now, moving on to the next article, no immunity for acts of vandalism, says Supreme Court. Now, this is in regards to a case in Assembly in Kerala where members created ruckus, and this is in regards to privilege motion, and this is in regards to the quorum that has to be followed in a uh, house. Now, please do read this article from that perspective. Now, moving on to the significant article, Mizoram and Assam to serve solve grow amicably. This is continuation of what has happening between Assam and Mizoram. Please do read the historical perspective, possible question in prelims or even interview. Now, moving on, government officials skip house panel meet. So this is important for you to read what are the procedures that are to be followed in a house panel meet. Please do read what are standing committees in parliament, how important is the standing committee on information technology, and from that perspective please do read this article, because again remember technology is in currency right now. Now moving on to page number 5, please do read what is a contingent worker, HC ask Twitter. This is again in regards to what is going on between government of India, social media companies and the courts of India in regards to the IT guidelines that the government of India brought forth. Please do concentrate on this because this is a possible question for prelims, mains and interview, and please do be aware what is happening, because in interview they might ask you what is your opinion, but in mains they might ask you the legal backing or the legality of the entire disclosure between the IT companies and the government of India. Now, because of freedom of speech. Now, moving on to page number 6, editorial judgment that must be taken in right spirit. Again, this is in regards to the recent striking down of certain provisions in the 97th amendment brought by the government of India way back in 2012, and this is in regards to the direct relation with the creation of union of ministry or union of cooperatives, sorry, and this is important. Please do read this article. See, this is just to get a perspective. I'm not seeing much in the value of this article, but remember, being aware or having more understanding of a subject is always better when you are attempting an answer in mains. That will help you in writing the answer in a short period of time, and that will also help you write an answer that is actually evidence based and short. Now, moving on, virulence and variance. Again, this is in regards to governments choosing to reopen industries, manufacturing sectors despite vaccination numbers being low. See, this is the other side of the argument. Should we remain still closed, or should we reimpose lockdowns because we are seeing a resurgence of cases in and around states in India? So that argument still holds, but from that perspective, please do read this article. Again, observer point of view. My suggestion would be just observer point of view. Now, moving on to op-ed, no need for drastic population policy. Just read it once, what they are saying. Don't remember about the statistics because they don't matter at the end of the day. What matters is the substance. This is based entirely on numbers. That is why I didn't select this article. But if you want, please do read this article. Now, moving on, oxygen of fiscal federalism. This is again an informative article. Just read what they are talking about. If you find anything useful, make a note of it. Otherwise, don't even worry. Now, moving on to page number 8, second Rafale squadron operationalized. A little bit about Rafale. Read about its tactical. What is Rafale? How it was procured, from where, who, possible. That's it. Apart from that, if you are already well aware of what Rafale is, what are squadrons, then don't worry about it. Informative. Now, moving on to the next article, official skips house panel. Again, this is in regards to the first page article. Continuation. I thought it would be better if you read why they have skipped. I want you to read the legal provisions if they can skip. Can officials skip an house panel meeting? So from that point of view, please do read that article. Now, moving on, Chandrayaan 3 mission likely late next year. Please do remember everything about Chandrayaan missions. Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3. In Chandrayaan 2, what is the name of the lander, where it was supposed to land, what is Chandrayaan 3, what are the goals for Chandrayaan 3, which areas on the moon that Chandrayaan 3 wants to explore, because prelims question in central and state government exams. That is why we read this article, Science and Technology. Now moving on to the next article, PM. Now moving on to page number 9, read challenges for all democracies. Because Balkan visit, we have to read what he says, how he contrasts. Because remember, problems are not only in India. US is also facing its own crisis in terms of domestic terrorism, in terms of voter suppression, in terms of human rights violations. Please do read this article from that perspective. You have to give a balanced answer as to if anybody asks what is your record on human rights. Now moving on to the next article, Bilkin comments, shared values rile up China. What are the comments that he made? Why China is angry? What is the current sticky situation between China and US? Because yesterday I talked about an article that will certainly help you in understanding this article. So if you haven't read yesterday's newspaper, please go and read US China ties article and link it up with this article so that you have a comprehensive understanding. Now moving on, page number 10, seroprevalence in Kerala. My suggestion would be understand what seroprevalence is from science and from science point of view. Understand what seroprevalence is. Now moving on to the next article, terrorism is the most serious threat to global peace. Rajnath, where he is saying, why he is saying, what is the significance of the meet that is taking place right now. Apart from that, not important. Moving on to page number 12. Oh, sorry, no page number 12. I don't think much of page number 12. Moving on to world, page number 13. China Foreign Ministry's host Taliban call it a pivotal force. Why they are saying it, how significant it is. Now moving on to the next article, Russia to boost Tajik army with weapons. What is the deal? What is the significance of the deal? Why Russia is choosing to give Tajikistan arms now? Insert Afghanistan, insert Taliban, insert sale of weapons. From that point of view, please do read this article. Now moving on to page number 14, my suggestion would be read the deposits up to 5 lakh in ailing banks to be repaid in 90 days. Just read this article and have an understanding of why they are trying to do this, and it will help you in understanding how banks are trying to reduce their NPAs and come out of this financial crunch they have got themselves into. Now moving on to the next article, data breaches cost Indian firms 165 million. What they are talking about, what types of attacks were there on cybersecurity front, how secure is India's cybersecurity domain, what are the policies. CERT in CERT-IN is one thing that protects Indian interests in cyber domain. Are they powerful enough? What are the limitations they have? Try to get a complete understanding, or at least some understanding of what is India's position in cybersecurity domain. Now these are the important articles for Hindu newspaper today. Thank you. My humble request would be to subscribe, share, comment and like the video, and click the bell icon if you don't want to miss any videos. Thanks for your support till now. Happy preparation. See you tomorrow. Stay safe. Namaste.